What's up, guys? I'm Roast Turkey here. We're doing a 10-minute burp challenge. Let's do this. Cameron, you may start.
Right. Ready?
Yep.
Put me off.
Keep going.
Still going. It's gonna snow tonight.
I just wet myself. You've done it for about 2 minutes now. I'm worried for you. Do you feel like you're gonna throw up? Oh!
It's so much big building up.
Just spit it into something. Wait. Keep going. I can't find anything where you can spit into. Keep.
I can't do it.
Really? Is that it?
I can't do that. Oh.
Well done. That was about 2 minutes. Go on, spit that in the toilet.
Ah, hell of it. How are people going to do that?
Wait, I'm gonna follow.
Oh, whoever suggested that? No.
The hell?
That kills.
That's my shower.
I always press the wrong one. How are people? I now noticed that I actually started to feel sick. Yeah, I don't see how you managed to do that. I might carry on trying, but
So that was Cameron's try, people.
Yeah, that's
he did his best. So
too hard.
good on you.
Wait, before we end.